So guys, Empress tayo. There's to Empress. Ilan? There's to Empress naman. Dress to Empress. Lang, siguro patapos yun. Tapos siguro. Tagal pa nila matapos. Kailan sila matatapos dito sa laro na to? Okay. Kailangan malapit na. Okay. Harap na lang ulit. Baka manalo yung... Baka manalo yung... Sabi yung cute. OMG, nalilit. Kaya parang VIP ako malamang. VIP ako. Bye. Ako pa dyan. Tagal. Dito ako sa fair. We are both of airport. Okay. We need to Nalapat mo yung tao dito. Matagal pa. Bakit? Eh, wow, yan na. Tingin ko. Ano lang na. Ay! Ba't nahugo ko? Feeling mo. Self-care. Sunday? Kasi hindi ko alam yun, guys. Kung pa ako naaari ng ganun. Pero okay lang. Gawa na lang tayo ng ganun. Sunday daw eh. Mabuti ng gods. Like, minute ka. Okay, let's go to the hair. I think this. No. So ugly. Ito. This. This one. Ever seen Ma. Guys, alam mo ba? Nahirapan minsan ako mag-English. Pero kaya ko mag-English. Gusto ko nga lang. Kasi parang stress ako. Siyempre, di ba? Kailangan din natin mag-practice. Dapat kayo marunong mag-English. English. Duh. Okay. Kaya, kakanta ka ba? Sorry ma, usapan mo na nga ako eh. Sorry guys. Okay Ay, wala kayo nakita. Wait lang guys, palitan natin ito ng buhok natin. I think Ay, joke lang. Ala, paano ibalik? Gusto ko rainbow. Tapos damit white. Red. Tapos damit ko. Tapos yung palda ko ay. Tapos yung aking shoes is. I think that balik tayo sa damit guys at babo. Yung hair natin masyado ugly. Like, like kabi, gusto ko kasi maganda. I think ready. And, yes, yan. Ayan ang yan. Pero, okay naman yung feeling. Tapos, lagay na lang natin ito. Okay, palit natin yan. Here. I think this one. Oh, yeah! This is pretty. Okay, damit na tayo. Dapat maganda. Di kasi ako marunong pumili eh. Pasok tayo sa... Ay, wait lang. May gagayahin. Wait, parang alam ko na po guys. Ala, 1 minute na lang. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Block natin, ha? Oh my God, di pa tayo tapos. Ito na lang oh. Gusto ko ito po. Tapos, ano? Ito. Wait lang guys ha. It's fine. Yung parang pangtulo. Ay! Meron na. Ito. Oh my God. Parang alam ko na to. Think red. Yan, bagay red. Okay. What should I put? Pin. Dots! Dot no, I have that. Okay, this is pretty wall. I think white. Oh, black. Here. We are so taray. Taray guys ha, taray. Ala, wait lang. Di pa ako tapos. Black. Alright, no. We're not done. We are not, oh my God. No. We are not done, guys. We need more. Wait, I'm gonna go run for this life to myself. I think this is okay. My percent is 6-7. Okay, we just wait a few minutes. We gonna go back. Bob. Okay. Okay, just wait for me. I don't need everyone to more smart because baka manalo sila. Kaso bigyan ko lang pala sila ng start. Nakalimutan. Pero basta kasi ako tumakbo ko palabas. Order ko pala ng okay. I think this is 2. Ang ganda ng short niya, rainbow. Super ganda. Okay, just wait. just wait few minutes and okay, we just wait. Oh, there we go. I think that's high. Okay, I think we are lost. I know. Okay. Game boy. Game boy. Just kidding. Okay. Are only playing. You know, guys, I'm just little girl. Oh, so many players. Just fine. Everyone, I think everyone star me. I think I wanna start Pikia. Ow. Do you know Cat's Eye? Cat's Eye. Paborito ko yun, guys. Sobra paborito ko yun. Sobra. Okay. We are not win. No. We are not win, guys. It's 4. We are 4. Look. That's me, guys. Tepa mama. Mamacita. Okay. We are gonna go take this. Let's go to second round. Just wait the few minutes later. Wait lang ha. Ay natin. Magala ko muna natin dito. Kapag dito kayo nakasubscribe or like, and click the button. And mag-subscribe na kayo, and like, and click the button. Everyone, mama. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this team is okay. What is team? Sweetheart. I know the sweetheart. Parang pretty, right? Let's go. Palitan natin yung face natin, guys. Dapat maganda. Okay, what can I pick today? Like sweet, you know. I think this. Yeah. Okay. Let's go pick the haircut. Hair. Okay, let's pick. I don't know my pick. What can I pick today? I think this. And brown. Okay, let's go pick another. I think dress. You know, let's go to VIP. 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 We don't have dress. Oh, there. What can I pick this? I think this one. I know. Oh, maybe. Let's go pick the color. Okay. I don't like this. No. I think this black color. Yes. Let's pick the bracelet and okay, let's go to the okay. You know, guys, I love guitar. Mick. My mom. Okay. Oh. I love you, mommy. You sweet thing, whopping. Wait, I'm gonna go take this. I think I have here. Hey, wait. I changed my dress to the. I think this one. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Oh, so cute. I think I changed this. Oh wait, and I changed this pink. Ah no. Change my. Oh there. I'm gonna go take I don't need the teddy bear. Let's go jump and I said I don't need the teddy bear. Okay, let's keep this dress. That is pretty. I think let's go to this one. I don't know what my pick today. I don't know why I'm pick today. Let's go find somebody else. Guys, pagod na ako mag-English. Pagod na ako. Okay, wait na lang natin, guys. Okay guys, akin na pala. Tumakbo lang ako. I think 2 star. 2 star. 2 star. I love cats. Okay. Okay, click on. Oh, that's me. Yeah. Pwede mo. Ano na? Ah, tubig. Malapit lang babae mo dito? Okay, we are two. Whoa! Okay, guys. I need to go now because I'm gonna go beach. Bye, guys. Bye.